Hi everyone, Gianni Di Poce here. I am the director of the Merriman Market Timing Academy, and I'm excited to share with you today that I will be conducting a series of lectures with the International Society of Astrological Research, otherwise known as ISAR. The first lecture will be on the 20th of November, and the title is How Outer Planets Drive Opportunities in Financial Markets. And in this lecture, we will be exploring various mundane rulerships and how they drive key investment themes in various financial markets, whether it's identifying an opportunity for a market to exhibit outperformance or identifying an opportunity where a market could be displaying underperformance. So that will be the first lecture. The second lecture will be on the 4th of December, and this one will be more of a workshop. It's going to be more in depth. The title of it is How Astrology Identifies Key Turning Points in Financial Markets. And in this workshop, we're going to take you through a more in-depth series, so to speak, of our MMA methodology. I've been working closely with Raymond Merriman, a very well-known, probably the OG of financial astrology for several years now. And so we're going to take you through a bit more detail in terms of our methodology, introducing you to various financial market cycles and showing how they tend to correspond very nicely with various planetary cycles and planetary ingresses and aspects to help you determine favorable risk reward opportunities in financial markets. So I really hope that you can join us for these very exciting lectures and workshop. You're going to get a lot of information in a very short period of time. So with the markets being as volatile as they are right now, this isn't an opportunity that you're going to want to miss, because just like the planets, as they keep in their revolutions and their rotations around the sun, the markets keep moving as well. So you don't want to miss this opportunity. Look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.